Good morning, students. This is our fourth semester. We have only 2 months for cover all syllabus. I know it's a very short period. This condition only cause of corona pandemic. Anyway, today I am going to start our online lectures. Please watch regularly and make short notes for your study. Then let's go. In this lecture, only I am introduce you all syllabus, unit wise which point covered in that. About any study, when you start your subject, then syllabus introduction is very important. Our subject name is Office Procedure for Agribusiness, means Karyalayin Prakriya. Steps, procedure and limitations, how it is work all explained in this subject. First unit is Management of the Dark. Point to be covered in this unit: receipt of dark, acknowledgement of dark, registration of dark, distribution of dark. In that, second sub point is file management. Point to be covered in that point: standard process sheet, levels of disposal and channel of submission, guideline for noting, modification of notes or orders, nothing the file received from other department, filing papers, arrangement of the papers, referencing, linking the file, use of urgency grading. We will see in details point in next lecture. Dear student, this is unit 2 file numbering. Note down in your notebook unit wise syllabus. It helps you easy to understand. First point is file numbering. In that point to be covered: functional file numbering system, subject classification based file numbering system, part file, unique e-file number, transfer, reconstruction and numbering file, movement of the file. And second sub point is forms and procedure of communication. Point to be covered in that: forms of communication, correspondence with the attached and offices, drafting of communication. In that sub point, procedure of drafting, general instruction of drafting. This is third unit, record management. In record management, point to be covered: activity involved in record management, stage or procedure for recording, categorization of physical record, precedent book, record retention schedule, record maintained by officers and their personal staff, requisition of the records. This is the fourth unit, security of the official information and documents. Point to be covered in that: communication of the official information, treatment of classified paper, communication of information to the press. This is the fifth unit, drafting letter. Point to be covered in that: letter, demi-official, purchase, inquiry, questions, purchase order, queries and replies, payment, billing, and preliminary requirements. In next lecture, we will see one by one detailed description of unit wise point. This is the only syllabus introduction. Thank you.